Hey my YouTube family! How are you all doing? I hope you're happy, healthy, and walking through life with style and confidence. This is your girl from Fashion Forward, and today we have something absolutely fabulous lined up for you. So, grab your coffee, sit back, and welcome back to another stylish journey into the world of fashion, where elegance walks tall and boldness wears heels. Welcome back to Fashion Forward, your ultimate destination for everything trendy, classy, and runway-worthy. And in this video, we're going deep into the world of one of the most iconic and empowering footwear choices for women across the globe. Yes, I'm talking about stiletto high-heel mules. Why are stiletto mules so special? Let's start with a simple question. What makes stiletto mules so different, so magnetic, and so unforgettable? Is it the slender, sky-touching heel that adds inches of confidence? Is it the open-back design that screams effortless elegance? Or is it the way these heels make every walk feel like a fashion runway? Well, it's all of that and so much more. Stiletto high-heel mules are a bold blend of modern chic and timeless seduction. They have no straps on the back, which means they're super easy to slip on, yet they don't compromise on sophistication. Whether it's leather, suede, velvet, satin, or clear vinyl, these mules offer variety, luxury, and allure in every form. A brief evolution of stiletto mules. Historically, mules date back to ancient Rome, but stiletto mules got their spotlight in the mid-20th century. They were adored by Hollywood icons in the 50s and 60s, think Marilyn Monroe, Audrey Hepburn, and other style queens. But fast forward to 2025, they've made a fiery comeback with modern twists, sculptural heels, bold colors, transparent uppers, and designer embellishments that make every pair a statement. Where style meets versatility. One of the most beautiful things about stiletto mules is how they work with literally every kind of outfit. Got a pair of wide-legged trousers? Perfect. Want to wear a bodycon dress? Even better. Thinking of something casual like cropped jeans and a blazer? These mules will elevate that look instantly. From office wear to evening gowns, stiletto mules walk the walk. You can wear a nude stiletto mule with a formal pantsuit and conquer the corporate world. Or wear a metallic gold pair with a black mini dress and own the dance floor. The versatility is limitless. Material matters. Let's talk about material choices because they define not only the look but also the vibe of your outfit. Patent leather. Bold, shiny, perfect for evening events. Matte suede. Soft, elegant. Ideal for dinners and dates. PVC or clear vinyl. Super trendy right now, especially in summer fashion. They give the illusion of longer legs. Textured fabrics like snake print, croc embossed, or glitter. These add personality and edge to any look. Colors and finishes that dominate 2025. In 2025, fashion is all about fearless expression, and stiletto mules are following suit. You'll see a lot of bold reds, deep emeralds, icy silvers, and creamy nudes dominating the fashion shelves. Ombre finishes, holographic sparkles, and neon mules are trending among younger crowds and fashion influencers. Clear heels are also making a strong comeback, especially in combination with rhinestones, bows, and chain accents. These styles aren't just footwear, they're conversation starters. Celebrities and influencers who love mules. From Kim Kardashian and Hailey Bieber to Zendaya and Rihanna, stiletto mules have taken over celebrity closets. Why? Because they're sexy without trying too hard, bold without being loud, and comfortable enough for events that last all night. Fashion bloggers and stylists constantly recommend mules in lookbooks and reels. Whether you're on Instagram or TikTok, you're guaranteed to find a stiletto mule in someone's latest outfit of the day. Comfort versus glamour. Can you have both? A lot of people assume that stilettos are painful, and let's be real, that used to be true. But today's designers understand the need for comfort. Many stiletto mules now come with padded insoles, gel arches, and shock-absorbing heels that make long wear actually possible. So yes, ladies, you can have both comfort and glamour. No need to choose anymore. Day to night transitions. Imagine this. You wear a neutral pair of mules to the office with a cream blouse and beige trousers. After work, you throw on a bold lipstick, Swap your top for a sequin crop, and boom, you're ready for the night without even changing your shoes. That's the kind of magic only Stiletto Mules can deliver. How to walk in Stiletto Mules like a pro. If you're new to heels or just new to backless shoes, here's some quick tips. 1. Start with a lower heel and work your way up. 2. Keep your steps small and controlled. 3. Practice on carpet before you hit tiles or wood floors. 4. Maintain a straight posture, shoulders back, core tight. 5. Confidence is key. Even if you wobble, own it. Fashion Forward's top picks for 2025. Here's a sneak peek of what Fashion Forward recommends for this year. Crystal-embellished transparent mules, perfect for evening glam. Soft blush suede with blocky stiletto heel, a great mix of cute and comfortable. Metallic snake print in rose gold, pure Instagram gold. Monochrome minimalist black patent leather mules, sleek, chic, and ultra versatile. Care and maintenance tips. Don't forget to take care of your beauties. Store them in a dust bag or original box. Use heel caps to protect the tips from wearing down. Clean them with appropriate cleaners. Suede needs a brush, while leather needs polish. Avoid moisture and direct sunlight. Good maintenance equals long-lasting glam. Wrapping it up with style. So, there you have it, fashionistas. Stiletto high heel mules aren't just a shoe. They're a statement. A mood. A powerful expression of confidence, grace, and fearless femininity. Whether you're heading to work, out for brunch, or making an entrance at a wedding, a good pair of mules can change everything. Remember, the way you dress is how you introduce yourself without saying a word. So, let your shoes speak volumes. Let your style be loud, bold, and unapologetically you. Beyond their visual appeal, stiletto high heel mules serve as a powerful form of self-expression. In a world where fashion choices are deeply tied to identity, these shoes let women convey confidence, charisma, and even a bit of rebellion, all without saying a word. A sharply pointed stiletto mule can give off a commanding presence in a boardroom, while a soft blush pair with a kitten stiletto can portray elegance and tenderness during a romantic evening. Their flexibility is part of their charm. Unlike traditional pumps or sandals, mules blur the lines between casual and formal, allowing fashion-forward individuals to mix and match styles in daring new ways. Accessories also play a major role when styling these heels. If you enjoyed this fashion-filled deep dive into the world of stiletto high heel mules, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Fashion Forward. Tell us in the comments, what's your go-to style? Which stiletto mule are you dying to try this year? And what should we cover next? Until next time, keep strutting with confidence, keep styling with passion, and stay fabulous.